Good day guys and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be teaching you how to draft a regular native. So first of all is your chest divided by 4 plus 2.5 inches. That is what will give you the measurement you are going to fold to use to draft your seamster. So right here I've done it chest divided by 4, which is 11.3 plus 2.5 inches, which is 13.8. That is what I folded right here. So right now we'll slant it by 2 inches. You measure 6 inch and then go down by 2 inches to get your shoulder slant. So that's done. So next is our shoulder which is 20 plus half inch. Then from that half inch we take down 6.5 inches for the armpit, and then we mark out our chest exact, which is 11.3 plus 1 inch allowance. From there we take down 18 inches for the slit. Meanwhile, our original length is 39 inches. We mark out 39 inches plus 3 inches allowance. So we rule a line there. So guys, pay very close attention. If you have any question, you ask in the comment section. So right now we'll connect the line of the armpits together. So now we'll be taking out basically three major measurements: 6.5 and 13 inches. So this will give us the shape of the clothes. Here you take out half inch from whatever you have at the shoulder. Down here we replace the shoulder exact, and then here we add 1/4 inch to the shoulder measurement. I hope you understand. To get the shape, at the armpit you have the shoulder plus 1 inch. Below it you minus half inch. Down there also you take the shoulder exact plus the 1 inch, and then below again you add 1/4 inch to it to give you the proper shape of the clothes. So that is what we have here, and we are cutting it out. So guys, if you don't understand any part of the video, try and forward it backward, or try and take it backward to understand what I explained there. So right now it's time to cut out the back. So we bring the back piece and arrange it. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, this is your time to do so. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever we upload new videos on this channel, you are going to get them first. So subscribe to this channel, be a part of our channel. We have a WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description. Feel free to click on it and join the group. Thank you guys. So this is how to arrange the back. You just place it exact, and then the back will be bigger than the front with 4.5 inches. So that's what I'm doing right here, marking out my 4.5 inch, and then I connect it with a straight line. 4.5 inch, remember. So after marking the 4.5 inch, I trace it out. It's that simple. So this 4.5 inch will serve as the overlap that will be on the clothes. You know, senator wears have to overlap. The back has to overlap to the front, and it has to be thick enough to give the clothes a very beautiful look. So right now we'll be taking out. Okay, so as you can see, what we are going to have here after doing everything should be 4.5, trying to ensure that it is perfectly placed. So 4.5 inch, and then it will overlap the shoulder with 1/2 inch. So after that is done, we take out our shoulder again and add 1/2 inch to it. This is the armpit line. Now watch carefully. The first cutting, will cut it straight, and then we'll curve it, right? Then we now pick out the front piece alone and go in by 1/2 inch, and also come and join it back to this point. That will give us a perfect armpit cutting, because in every armpit the front has to be a bit deeper than the back in order to make the sleeve to come to the front. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you understand where we are done sewing. So guys, I'll be posting the full video of this clothes on this channel. The full series will be here, so take out your time to watch each and every part of the series. So right here, we'll mark out our neck. The neck measurement depends on what neck you are working with. Are you getting me? But majorly, by the side, you take out 2.5 inches. That is from the front towards the shoulder. You take out 2.5 inches, and then down you take out 4.5 or 5 inches. Then you try and measure your neck to know if your neck has come out. If it hasn't come out, you deepen it towards the front. Try and avoid working on your neck towards the shoulder part, so that your singlet or your customer's singlet will not be showing after you're done sewing. So guys, that is it for this video.